Welcome to the world of budget travel, where adventure meets frugality. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing the richness of your experience. It's all about making the most of your resources while discovering the world's wonders. In this guide, we'll delve into 5 unwritten rules of budget traveling, offering you valuable insights and tips to help you embark on a cost-effective, memorable journey. From planning and packing smart to savoring local flavors and navigating public transportation, these guidelines will empower you to explore the globe without breaking the bank. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Plan and research extensively. Destination research. Before you set off on your adventure, it's essential to conduct thorough research on potential destinations. Look for countries or cities where your money will go further. Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and some parts of South America, for example, are known for being budget-friendly destinations. Accommodation options. Explore a variety of accommodation options, including hostels, guest houses, Airbnb, and budget hotels. Consider staying in less touristy neighborhoods to save on accommodation costs and immerse yourself in the local culture. Transportation deals. Keep an eagle eye out for airline deals and consider alternative airports or nearby cities for cheaper flights. Be open to using budget airlines or booking flights during sales and promotions to cut down on travel expenses. 2. Flexibility is your friend. Last-minute deals. If you're flexible with your travel dates, you can take advantage of last-minute flight and accommodation deals. Websites and apps like Skyscanner and Hotel Tonight can help you find such deals, allowing you to save significantly on your journey. Volunteer or work exchange. Consider volunteering or participating in work exchange programs in exchange for room and board. This not only helps you save money, but also offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in local culture and give back to the communities you visit. 3. Pack light and smart. Minimalist packing. Embrace the art of minimalist packing. Carefully consider what you truly need to bring, focusing on versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Remember that you can always do laundry during your travels, reducing the need for excessive clothing. Travel insurance. While it may seem like an extra expense, investing in comprehensive travel insurance is a smart move. It can save you a significant amount of money in case of unexpected events like illness or trip cancellations, providing peace of mind during your journey. 4. Eat and drink like a local. Street food and local markets. Explore the culinary delights of your destination by indulging in street food, which is not only delicious, but also budget-friendly. Be adventurous and try local specialties. Additionally, visit local markets to purchase fresh produce and snacks, saving money on restaurant dining. Cook your own meals. If you have access to a kitchen in your accommodation, consider cooking some of your meals. This can be a great way to save money and enjoy a break from restaurant dining, all while experimenting with local ingredients. 5. Use public transportation and walk public transit cards. In many cities, purchasing a multi-day public transportation card can be more economical than buying individual tickets for each ride. These cards often provide unlimited access to buses, trams, and subways, making it easier to explore the city on a budget. Walking tours. Opt for walking tours or self-guided exploration to get to know a city intimately. Many attractions are within walking distance of each other, and this approach can save you money on guided tours or transportation, all while allowing you to immerse yourself in the local environment. 6. Community hostels and co-living spaces. Community hostels and co-living spaces go beyond just providing budget-friendly accommodations. They often cultivate a sense of camaraderie among travelers. Attend communal dinners, participate in organized events, and join group outings arranged by the hostel. These interactions not only enhance your travel experience, but also expose you to diverse perspectives and recommendations that might not be found in guidebooks. Engaging with your temporary community can lead to lasting friendships and a deeper understanding of the local culture. 7. Student and youth discounts. Student and youth discounts aren't limited to just entry fees. Many destinations offer reduced rates on public transportation, guided tours, and even meals. Explore the local student card options and inquire about youth-oriented city passes that bundle various attractions. Beyond the financial benefits, taking advantage of these discounts opens doors to educational opportunities such as workshops, language classes, and cultural exchanges tailored for the younger demographic. 8. Travel during off-peak seasons. Traveling during off-peak seasons not only saves money, but allows for a more immersive experience. During quieter periods, attractions are less crowded, providing a more intimate exploration of historical sites and cultural landmarks. Off-peak travel also aligns with local life, allowing you to witness authentic daily routines and possibly partake in unique festivals or events that coincide with the quieter times.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
9. Cash versus card. The debate between cash and cards extends beyond convenience. While credit cards offer security and ease of use, having local currency is essential for transactions in markets, street stalls, and smaller establishments. Understanding the denominations and having small bills can aid in smooth transactions. Additionally, having a backup payment method, such as a prepaid travel card, ensures financial flexibility in case of unexpected issues with your primary card. 10. Hitchhiking and ride-sharing. Hitchhiking and ride-sharing can be more than just cost-saving measures. They provide unique opportunities for cultural exchange. Before embarking on a hitchhiking adventure, familiarize yourself with local customs and safety guidelines. Ride-sharing apps not only offer economical transportation, but can also lead to interesting conversations with locals who might share insights into hidden gems and local favorites. 11. Cultural exchange programs. Participating in cultural exchange programs transforms your travel experience into a meaningful cultural immersion. Beyond saving on accommodation costs, you get the chance to live with locals, share meals, and engage in day-to-day activities. This deeper level of integration provides insights into local customs, traditions, and daily life that go beyond what traditional tourist experiences offer. 12. DIY guided tours. Crafting your own guided tours allows for a personalized exploration of your destination. Use travel apps that offer detailed maps, audio guides, and historical information. Take advantage of downloadable content that provides insights into the historical and cultural significance of the places you visit. This DIY approach lets you set your own pace, explore areas of personal interest, and engage with the local environment on your terms. 13. Local currency knowledge. Beyond basic currency exchange, delve into local spending habits, tipping practices, and cultural nuances related to money. Understand the currency denominations to avoid confusion during transactions. Utilize local ATMs for currency exchange, as they often provide better rates compared to currency exchange services at airports. Being well-versed in local currency practices ensures a seamless financial experience during your travels. 14. Utilize travel rewards and points. Maximizing travel reward credit cards involves understanding the intricacies of point systems and redemption options. Explore co-branded credit cards with airlines and hotel chains to accrue points that can lead to complimentary flights, accommodation upgrades, and access to exclusive lounges. Regularly review and compare loyalty programs to align your travel preferences with the most advantageous reward systems. 15. Social media and travel forums. Active participation in travel forums and social media groups opens up a wealth of information. Beyond seeking advice and asking questions, contribute your own experiences to enrich the collective knowledge of the community. These platforms serve as dynamic hubs where travelers share real-time insights, recommend offbeat destinations, and provide practical tips for navigating local customs and unexpected challenges. Engaging with these online communities ensures you stay well-informed and make the most of your travel experiences. As your budget travel journey comes to a close, remember that the essence of this style of exploration lies in your ability to adapt and embrace the unknown. By planning meticulously, staying flexible, packing thoughtfully, indulging in local delights, and utilizing public transport and your own 2 feet, you can unlock a world of adventures that are both cost-effective and deeply rewarding. So, go forth with these unwritten rules in mind, create unforgettable memories, and continue to explore the world within your means. Happy travels! Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos.